Shalom, everyone. It's really good to be here with you today again. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Reut. I'm a Hebrew teacher, and I have over 10 years of experience teaching Hebrew for adults in all levels. I came here today to announce that I have a special offer for the new year. I offer my online course for complete beginners with a discount of 20%. So if you always wanted to dive deeper, this is a good opportunity. The reduced fee will be valid until the 11th of January 2026. So you still have enough time to watch some of the free lessons to see if you like my teaching style and if you want to go deeper with your learning. In the course, you will learn to speak with confidence, to read, to listen, to write. We will go over greetings and personal pronouns, numbers, all the vowels, including nikud, and much more. All the topics that are included in the course you can find in the link below. And if you have any questions for me, I'm happy to help. Just write them down in the comments below. The course will be available to you for lifetime. So once you purchase it, you can watch it whenever you want for the rest of your life. Yeah. So if you're happy to purchase the course, I'll see you in the classroom. Take care of yourselves. Happy New Year. Have a beautiful 2026. להתראות.